Hey scholars, happy Thursday and welcome back to your writing lessons. Again, Miss Metz's camera is still not working, but I can still record this video and you get to hear my voice and follow along with me. We are picking up where we left off in our homophone lessons. Yesterday, we talked about the difference between three words that sound the same but have different meanings. We talked about the words there, and there. The three different forms of there. Today we're going to focus on these three words here, and we're going to answer this question, how do I know which one to choose? Our three words that we're focusing on today are where, and were. So were sounds a little bit different than these other two words here, but we can still consider it a homophone. Now, how do we know which one to choose? Wear, which is spelled W-E-A-R, means to carry or have on. An example is, please wear your seatbelt in the car. Were, it describes something that happened in the past. An example of using the word were, we were going to take the trash out last night. Usually, were is paired with an action word with a verb. We were going to take the trash out last night, describing some action or something that happened in the past. And lastly is where. Where refers to a place, a location, or a situation. An example is, I don't know where to park. Usually talking about a place or a location. So again, where, you have it on. Were, something happened in the past. Where, a place or a location or even a situation. For our work today, you're going to need your composition book and a pencil. The directions are the same as the last 2 days. It says fill in the blank in the sentence with the correct form. Where, were, where. Here's our first example. This sentence says, do you know I left my keys? We're going to figure out if we're going to use where, were, or where in this sentence. Now, here's some questions that we can ask ourselves. If we want to know if we should use where, are we putting anything on or wearing anything on our body? No, we're not wearing our keys on our body, so it's not W-E-A-R. Were. Are we talking about something that happened in the past? No, we're trying to find our keys right now. And where? Do you know where I left my keys? Yeah, we want to know the location, the spot where we left our keys. So we can complete this sentence with where. Do you know where I left my keys? Go ahead and write that down in your composition book and press play when you're ready to move to our next example. Our next sentence says, Dad said you have to blank your nice shirt to church. Well, in this example, we're talking about a shirt that we're going to put on for church. Which of our forms of where do you think would be the best fit for this sentence? Yeah, it is wear, W-E-A-R. You have to wear your nice shirt to church. We're going to actually put that shirt on and wear it. Make sure you write that down in your composition book, and let's move to our next example. Mom said, you blank coming to my game. Well, here's a hint. In this sentence, coming is a verb. We're going to come to the game. So what should go here to complete this blank? Let's look back up at our examples here. I see a sentence that looks a lot like the one we're working with right now. It says, we were going to take the trash out last night. Something that happened in the past. Mom said you were coming to my game. Maybe you didn't end up coming, but you were coming to my game. Mom said you were coming to my game. Go ahead and fill that in your composition book. Next example. We blank going on vacation in May, but then this quarantine happened and we had to cancel. Again, going on a vacation, but then we had to cancel. Well, that means that we had planned to do something. We were going to take a vacation. We were going on vacation. So here again, we're using were. Fill that in your composition book. We were going on vacation in May, but then this quarantine happened and we had to cancel. Great. Blank, are you going on vacation? Well, this time we're not going to use were. Where are you going on vacation? We're also not talking about wearing anything, putting anything on. Which would be the best fit for this sentence? Yeah, where? W-H-E-R-E. Where are you going on vacation? Asking about the place that you're going to, the location you're going to. Now, this one has been Miss Metz every day of the quarantine. I blank socks with my slides. If you don't know what slides are, they're like a chancla, they're like flip-flops. They're sandals. So something socks with my slides? What would be the best fit here? Give this one a try. Are we going to use where, were, where? Yeah, we're going to use wear here. I wear socks. We put them on, we wear them. Wear socks with my slides. Do you wear socks with your slides? I do. Next example says, I knew you blank not going to help me with the project. Even though we have not here, if we were to take this not out, I see going would be the word resting next to our blank here. What have we done in our previous examples when we see this action going? Yeah, which one do we use? It was an action that happened in the past. You were not going to help me with the project. You were not going to help me with the project. Awesome. Your work for today that you're going to do independently has the same directions, filling in the blank with the sentence with the correct form of where, were, or where. You're going to find that in your Google Docs assignments when you click on this assignment and you'll make a copy. You've been doing this for the past 2 days. This is your third and final day on homophones. I hope that you do well today. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you all tomorrow for Fun Friday. Bye, everyone. Have a great day.